Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor. Today I'll show you how to get GA4 data streamed into Google Sheets. You'll need to have access to a GA4 property, of course, and to Google Sheets. Let's get started. Step 1, you head to onboard.windsor.ai, and in here you look for GA4. It's right up here. And then you sign in with Google. Go through the authentication flow here. Once you grant access, all your GA4 properties will appear here. Select the ones you want to connect. Step 2, click on Preview and Destination. And then in here, look for Google Analytics 4. And then just to double check that you have data, something should appear in the preview here. And as a next step, we head to Google Sheets. You need to install the Google Sheets add-on here. Once you install that, if I open a new sheet here, I can then find it in the extensions. Now in here, the first time you open this, you have to click on Login, and then you'll be prompted for your API key, which you can find here. Simply copy it over with the copy button here, and then paste it in. Now here, I'm already logged in, so I can close that prompt, and now in extensions, the menu Get Data into Sheet will appear. And now it's time to select the metrics and dimensions we want to stream over from GA4. Give the query a name, call it GA4. Target sheet name is sheet 1 for me. And now in case you have multiple data sources connected, of course you could select the one you want to pull data from. Here it's GA4. For the accounts, in case you have multiple properties, you could select the property. In case you do not select the property, it loads data from all of the properties you have connected. Then select the date range. I keep the data small, last 7 days, and then select fields. In here, you select what fields you want to get streamed over. I'm just going to keep it simple, and I'm going to go with these default ones. Now could also apply a filter, which I'm not going to do. Filters basically allow you to, for example, filter by campaign, and then you specify what filter you want to apply and what value you want to give the filter. I'm going to skip that. Then you can also set the schedule. So if I set that to 1 hour, I get fresh data every hour. So that's it. That's my query. If I click Load Data, the data will appear in the Google Sheet document here. So that's it. Now you have your GA4 data in Google Sheets. Of course, you want to maybe create multiple of these different sheets with different data points in, and you might want to try different connectors. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.